Hello everyone. Today meron po tayong guest from Belgium. Papakilala natin siya. Hi Lilibet.
Hello, thank you. Yes, hello everybody. Again, my name is Lilibet po, from the Philippines, of course, and we're living in Belgium with my family. So yun, and of course, I am a proud digital business owner.
Ah, thank
Mm,
you. So, bakit mo, why did you choose online business over traditional business?
Okay. Actually, at first hindi ko alam 'yan kasi wala po akong business experience when I joined this online business. But as I run my online business, ayun, ang pinaka ano is online business is more flexible than traditional kasi ang traditional kailangan yung physical present mo sa traditional. And of course, with traditional business, it's with the startups, medyo malaki kasi you have to pay for the rent, for the utilities and everything like that. While online business has a low overhead cost. So, yun. Online business po is global reach po tayo. So we can reach all over the globe samantalang ang traditional is kung saan lang yung business mode. So very limited ang reach ng clients. Ayun. First first of course the automation. Kasi once you decide to become a business owner, the technical side of the business is built for you. So, 10% na lang ang gagawin mo, which is the marketing. Ano-ano yung nasa technical? Ang nasa technical side of the business is yung training site, ready na. Tapos, it's very user friendly. And actually, ang system namin is built for people who are yung walang experience online and hindi masyado sa computer. So, yun. And pangalawa, yun yung pag-build ng website and everything like that. Once you become a business owner, the website and the email campaign will be built for you. So, napakalaking bagay. And yun, knowing na 10% na lang ang gagawin, which is the marketing side. Yun. Ang pangalawang advantage naman is having this global community. So, since we're busy people, busy mom like me, ayun, having this global community at magkakaroon ka rin ng mentor and coach na gagabay at tutulong sa'yo throughout your business journey is napakalaking bagay. So, hindi po kayo mag-iisa sa business mo ito. Kasi anytime, 24/7, may sasagot kung may tanong o may problema ka sa business mo. Yun.
Oo nga. Kasi lalo na pag bago ka pa lang, may mga
Mhm.
kakaroon ka na halimbawa, set up ka pa lang ng iyong business. Marami kang katanungan pero
Mhm.
yun nga, pag naglagay ka dun sa business chat natin, siguradong may sasagot sa iyo kasi global nga
Mhm.
tayo. 24/7.
Correct. Mhm.
Okay. So, thank you for that. And my next question is, for how many years you've been doing this business? Can you please share a little bit of your journey?
Yes, I've been doing this for 3 years now. So yun, when I joined this business, I have this full time and plus extra job. Now I was able to leave some of my job, so enjoying my flexibility. So I can take a leave anytime my kids needs me because we have two growing kids po. So yun, napakalaking bagay. And of course, the personality development. So this community has transformed me to a better version of myself. So natuto po akong lumabas sa comfort zone. Yun. And yes, isa malaking bagay yon. And of course, the mindset before, hindi ko alam kung anong, yung, when I joined this business, I have, wrong mindset talaga. So, negative
Oo.
mindset. Pero
Mm.
natutunan ko po yun through our community, through our training site. Yun.
Mm.
So,
Yeah,
that's,
yeah.
yeah.
Totoo yung ano, yung personal development natin na kung tatanungin ako nung kung mga ilang months ago kung
Mhm.
magagawa ko yung bang katulad nitong mag-interview na ganito. Sasabihin ko, ay hindi, ayokong hindi ko kaya yun. Diba? Kasi ay hindi ako ano, introvert ako, hindi, nahihiya
Mhm.
ako na salita dyan, sabi ko gano'n. Eh ngayon, nagagawa na natin ito, di ba?
Correct. Mm.
Malaking malaking bagay yung personal
Malaking bagay.
development.
Oo, tsaka when we talk of the successes, hindi lang naman all about money, 'di ba? Personality development is also one of the successes, of course, in
That's
our
right.
business. Yeah,
Mhm. Yeah.
natin 'yan.
So what were the question you had in mind before starting this business?
Yun. Yung kaya ko ba 'to? Yun ang actually I started this, actually hindi, medyo ibang kwento when I started this, kasi it all started from my sister po. I-share sa akin, pero wala po siya sa business. May nakita lang siyang video sa Facebook and
Mhm.
sabi niya, "Oh, baka ito para sa inyo." So, sabi ko, naku, I was hesitant siyempre kasi sabi ko, "Busy ma'am, wala nga akong time sa sarili ko tapos magbi-business pa ako." So yun, ang pinaka-ano is, kaya ko ba ito? Tapos online, wala akong experience working online. Tapos social media marketing pa, hindi rin ako social media active. So yun yung
Right.
mga tanong. Pero yun, since na gusto nating mabago ang buhay, ayun, I took a risk of learning this business.
Yeah. Yung
Mhm.
yun na normal yun sa mga sa atin na yung kumbaga bago tayo sa business or nakita pa lang natin yung ad, itong business na ito, talagang normal na magtanong tayo, maging skeptical
Mhm.
tayo. Kailangan nating malaman kung totoo ba talaga ito or
Mm,
hindi. At
correct.
saka kung
Mm,
kaya ba natin gawin na katulad nila
mm,
na makakaya ba natin. Eh, dahil nga sa sinabi mo na yun, merong tutulong sa atin na
mm,
kanina yung global reach natin na at saka global community natin at yung training system natin na nakakatulong sa atin. Kaya yung mga nasagot na yung mga tanong na yun. So,
mm.
kaya tayo
Kaya
sumali.
oo, importante talagang makita din nila yung loob, yung buong business
Oo.
model para talagang iyon masasagot lahat ng mga tanong. So yun kailangan talagang mag-take, risk kung gusto niyong mabago ang buhay,
Yeah.
Para
At,
kasi kadalasan kasi maraming what if, hindi yan sa akin, what if para sa'yo, 'di ba? So, hindi mo
oo.
malalaman kung hindi ka talaga magte-take action.
Right.
Ayun.
Yeah. So, anong advice mo dun sa mga taong gustong mag-join sa atin pero yun nga,
Mm,
hindi nila alam kung papaano
mm.
sumali kaya may skeptical nga sila. Anong advice mo sa kanila?
Ayun.
Yung
Sabi nila nga, skepticism is good, pero we need to take action din. Hindi yung puro ano, 'di ba? Yun, kung if you're looking for something online to earn extra, check this business out. Ayun, reach out to Miss Eden and magtanong po kayo. Magtanong at makipag-usap o yun, ang pinaka first step is to watch our free workshop. Yun,
mhm,
it will give you a general information about the business and some testimonials from some business owners. If you want to take the next step, take the next step. If you don't want to take the next step, it's really up to you. So, yun. But we encourage you to see the whole picture of the business para
Yeah.
malaman niyo lahat and then decide if this is for you or not. So,
Yeah. Yeah, ang unang gagawin, eh, mag-register sa website at
yes,
panoorin ang 90-minute webinar para malaman po
mhm,
ninyo kung ito ay para sa inyo. Ay,
yes.
thank you sa'yo, Lilibet, sa,
Thank you
uh,
also. Oo, maraming salamat din.
for the viewers, and till next time.
Yes, bye-bye.
Okay.